Per lowen on ne, bos oma in Strasneth heddiw, agan Solempnita Awen. We are very happy to be here in Stratton today to celebrate our Awen ceremony. Kins Daleth and Solempnita, ni bin powers rag unminism, ha perthi cob agan Gorsedh Kernow. Nevertheless and Kins Awen, nans u deg blithen, in Duvil onan Warnubins. Before we begin the ceremony, I would like to take a moment to remember our friend Kernow, Howard Kernow, who introduced the first Awen ceremony 10 years ago in 2011 and who very sadly passed away just a few weeks ago. So if we could just have a moment's silence, please, for Howard. Whereas it was Howard who is the inspiration behind this ceremony, and we especially think of him today as this is the first ceremony that he has not actually been able to be involved with. So we hope we're doing it right for him. Near Gorsedh Kernow in Werth, Michael Joseph Angol, Thomas Flamank, Levis and Jith Ma in Mil now Peswakans, Saitek ha Peswarugans, hag all an Gernowian on Levis, Wars and Rebellions. We remember today as well Michael Joseph Angol and Thomas Flamank, executed on this day in 1497, along with all the other Cornishmen and women killed after or during the rebellion. Wars and rebellions, to Strasneth, aber pardonis, was a pay spal a deu ugen souls. After the rebellion, all the parishioners of Stratton were pardoned on paying a fine of 40 shillings. And I understand if you want more information on that, you need to ask Ian, because he knows all about these things. Lowenove, bos genen heddiw, mayor, Porthbud Strasneth, Amanda Tame, and pleased that we are joined today by the mayor of Bud Stratton, Amanda Tame, and I would like to invite her to say a few words, but before she does, I'd like to thank her for arranging the weather.
Nidda gonen, if yada genev dina ras you, Have you about console pa cabinet Porthbud Strasneth? Splan in you bagas dagameres omma in Strasneth have you. Hag if daganen agas dwellers all mis gwingala in Solempnyans and orth. Hello everyone, I'd like to welcome you all today on behalf of the Council and Communities of Bute Stratton. It's wonderful to host you here in Stratton today, and we look forward to seeing you all in September for the Gorsedh ceremony.
Thesany Oma Conteles rag derivus both consul and Gorsedh in kever Contelians nessa Gorsedh Kernow usi Devos synsis was a gweith a corn in clow hagolok and las a the rag and howl lagus on they both booed and peswara a viswingala duvil onan warnugans. Gorsedh Kernow and Gwir erbyn and bees, Kernow Kres ha Carenza. Mwl erfor ha bren gwethon ha bosgawn Mwl ha bren ha bos. Warbarth a hunros. Cove ha can and close. Erfor a gan hui quams ha gwethon skians. Ha scow gornel sams. A lamb hawl di feth, gan, ter Gorsedh, and dicho then clef. Ray bo vinny all gwyth. Hagin gwyth nerth. Hagin nerth skians. Hagin skians gothbos.
Hagin skians Gothvos.
Hagin gothbos, gothbos anon.
Hagin Gothvos, Gothvos anon.
Hagin gothbos anon, igara.
Hagin Gothvos anon, igara.
Hagagara, cara pupbunans.
Hagagara, cara pupbunans.
Hagin pupbunans, cara gnaz bosva all.
Hagin pupbunans, cara gnaz bosva all.
And bosva ha pupdada. And more a drodden tir, and tir indanoni, and a drodhinni, hag inoni hagau, and bestes hag all avil inno. Unwith orthu, a warvinav, us Kres,
Praise!
duwith orthu, a warvinav, us Kres,
Praise!
tergwith orthu, a warvinav, us Kres,
Praise!
a wasbos Kres, dun neotho in rag, a the rag and howl, lagus on jith, and Gorsedh igeris. Clo gerio ag an hendazo, a dia da dewis da bones, the worth da binis da dones, da dewis, da both, da bonans gwir, a dia da alos a durthol, galos ha minis ha gul, and bonans han bosva. Meth gwir a fyrth mal. Golobis amal hawl. Hilly ha hawl. Gwir virtue las glan. Kerenza ethan ton hatir hatan. Kesevin an corn. Anal hag asgorn a beth main ha horn. Dywyn rag Kres erbyn dioddes. Golo ag yn les. Dywyn rag gwir. Onan Maetolia, Carenza, Drendir, Aberfeth, Bisrin, Golo, Tridowin, Agan Bis, and Gwyn. Ire Awen Dis, Prest he Golok Triflek, and Golo na, Afez and Skezo and Lagus, and Spiris, han Golon. In Golo Awen, o Gwelyn ni and Mor, and Mes, and han Meneth a Drodin. In Golo Awen, y Fusurin ni Downder and Mor, Les and Mes, hagug Helder and Meneth. And Golo Awen, a Perthyn ni Colv and Mor, Carenza and Mes, ha Can then Meneth. Os hagos, in Golo Awen, a Gwelyn ni ha Caratus, Termin, ha Tiller. Os hagos, in Golo Awen, a Renni, Hano the Deus, his the Dermin, ha Who's the Diller, Kernow, Kres, ha Kerenza. We will say the words of Brogoth, because we're not allowed to sing. Brogoth, Agan Tazo,
that players dath car, Las care and post severs, and throw you the bar. War all and norvis, von me scolia soles, mes agan carenza uvis. Kernow, Kernow, and more heterovo, in hos lisa tro, von onen hagol, rag Kernow. Kernow bis vicken!
Unwith orthu, a wovina, us Kres,
Praise!
duwith orthu, a wovina, us Kres,
Praise!
tergwith orthu, a wovina, us Kres,
Praise!
duweddys in Kres you an orseth, in Kres lemon omdenin, hag in trethon, rebo Kres erna, Vifin Arta Warbath.
Well done, you did very well.
Always.